You'll probably go deaf later. Find out how old your ears are with this hearing test. If you can't hear anything, you've reached your hearing age. Let's get started. So how old are your ears? Write it down in comments and don't forget to subscribe.